So I'm starting to understand about the archetypal energy, why it's kind of screaming at you, but you don't figure it out. It's like as much as it takes. That's why the energy is archetypal, because you don't waste a lot of energy to explain to somebody who's not listening or can't appreciate the message in the first place. You know a little bit of details about them that maybe their interest is adverse to you tapping in. So the thing about tapping in is, you know how they say like everything is energy, even like inanimate objects like this fabric and everything is energy. Like, what does that mean? How come I can't, like, you can't tap into the energy of my shirt? But okay, here's how it goes, right? The energy is archetypal. You get the energy from tapping in with a rig that taps into the archetypal energy, but the energy comes from the symbol itself. So the symbol is guiding you toward how to rig in, and you simulate. It's like you're simulating the djed or the rungs in the djed or something like. And it's primordial. It's primordial archetypal energy. So, like, just on behalf of the existence of exertion of so many pounds per square inch, or just on behalf of the fluctuation in temperature, there's energy that you can harness. Pretty simple. Tapping in. If the pressure one. You can create suction in a pump with an elbow of, like, so a tube that has an elbow, and what you do is you get it started pumping water through, and once it starts falling through, it never, you keep it submerged so that no air gets in, right? But eventually, that's not perpetual motion. Eventually it's going to lose psi. So is that an infinite money glitch? Because Elon Musk knows how to recharge his phone already, because that little psi will allow so much water to flow over a wheel. So like each wheel has a plank, and the plank gets pushed, and so the turning the wheel charges the phone. And when it runs out, instead of like a battery that runs out, you have to recharge it. All you do is recreate the suction, and it starts going again. So how do you get energy from just recreating the suction that was lost through the psi from the pump, being that it's not designed to work forever? Like, it's gonna lose a little bit until at some point it starts sucking up an air bubble. Like, it'll start, like, in little bits of air will get in there, and it will weaken, and then it's not turning the wheel. It's a rig. It's a rig to tap in. The energy is there, just in the form of pressure. But what other forms could it be in? Because, well, I mean, a chemical reaction will create a lot more release. But some is worth more than others in terms of tapping into that release to make it worthwhile, like coal or a chain reaction causing fusion. Fission on a scale of fusion, like, and it has to be a quantum aspect to this fission where the energy release is almost like the guesswork. You're saving yourself guesswork by using nuclear power. Like wondering of whether the cat in the trunk is in the box with the depleted uranium tablet is dead or alive, and it's both. I mean, this whole time you can have energy. It's weird like that. It's setting up for the observing mind. And there's also this thing called a I wonder if let's get this right. Malthusian there's this thing like a Malthusian scam, like a scam. Like it's a weird thing where it's like you have to believe that you're working in the interest of like holding off calamity or something, but it's just a scam. I have to look back into that, see what that is. Malthusian. Maybe, I mean, it just sounds like, you know, I mean, it's Malthusian. Can't be doing that out here, cuz. Cuz, you can't be doing, I'm from here, cuz. You can't be doing Malthusian, I forget what's the other part of it. It's a Malthusian something. I don't know. I'll look it up. I'll get back to you.